Welcome to the PCS Current News program. Today's topic of discussion is Discovery of Lithium in Karnataka. Recently, lithium has been discovered in the Mandya and Yadgiri districts of Karnataka. It was discovered by the Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research. AMD has confirmed 1,600 tons of lithium resources in the Marlagala area, Mandya district, Karnataka. Previously, lithium was also discovered in the Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. The major mica belts located in Rajasthan, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh and pegmatite belts in Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka are the potential geological domains for lithium resources. Let's now discuss what is lithium and its application. Lithium is a chemical element of group 1 in the periodic table. It is a part of the alkali metal group. It is the lightest of the solid elements found in nature. The most important use of lithium is in rechargeable batteries for mobile phones, laptops, digital cameras and electric vehicles. Lithium is also used in some non-rechargeable batteries for things like heart pacemakers, toys, and clocks. Lithium metal is made into alloys with aluminium and magnesium, improving their strength and making them lighter. Magnesium-lithium alloy is used for armor plating. Aluminium-lithium alloys are used in making frames of aircraft, bicycles, and high-speed trains. Lithium oxide is used in special glasses and glass ceramics. Lithium chloride is one of the most hygroscopic materials known and is used in air conditioning and industrial drying systems. Let's discuss economic viability and global production of lithium. Chile and Australia are the largest producer of lithium in the world. They combined produce 60% of the total production of the world. The largest known reserve of lithium is in the Altiplano Puna Plateau in the Andes. It is a 1,100-mile long stretch bordering Chile, Argentina, and Bolivia. Lithium is called white gold because of its ample use in lithium-ion batteries, ceramics, computers, medicines, glass, and even nuclear bombs. Lithium is also called the fuel of future because of its use in making car batteries that will run future transport. Now it's time for the practice question. Recently, in which state of India large deposits of lithium have been discovered by the Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research? Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, or Karnataka? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।